Hello, today we are going to share a very practical and beautiful bathtub made of pure natural stone. The material is made of very hard red granite with very beautiful natural veins. This is a bathtub that is unique in the world. Even if you produce another one of the same style, the natural veins will never be the same. It can not only bring you a very unique and wonderful bathing experience, but also a very beautiful scenery in your bathroom. Would you consider owning one? We use high-speed handheld water polishing technology to treat the surface of this bathtub. The surface brightness is very high. It looks so amazing. Contact us now and bring it home.